All right, we're back. Another episode on the truck. It's been a long time coming. See if we can find out if this thing's gonna get done and what timelines we got, y'all. Without further ado, let's get to it. Back.
Mira, es el que voy a quitar. Este es el que salió, el que venía con la.
Oh,
con,
yeah.
el que venía con la. Cuando se compró. Todo eso que lo hayan.
Got the new battery, eso.
No, esa es la tuya.
Sí, pero esa parte.
No, el brace ese lo
yeah.
hice. Ese lo tuve que hacer. Porque estaba podrido todo. El otro estaba arrancando.
Okay.
No te digo si.
Y aquí está.
Mira.
There's the steering
Ya está
column.
el estéreo,
Mira, ese te acuerdas que te dije que puse el mío, cuidado.
Tal vez lo voy a entrar a ver.
No lo quiero
Alright.
armar porque tú no sabes qué cosa más que.
Here's the I did it
El
column.
aluminio que le puse ahí para cubrir ahí en los
Got a little plate to put in there with this. This is I think this one we went 32 or 30. I gotta double check. It was a 30-inch column, but we'll see. And then here's the shifter. It was 30. 30. Okay, yeah. There's the B&M. All right. I'll see how I fit. All right. This is with me, big guy in here. Long legs to the seating. It's not bad. So obviously I'll probably be a little bit higher once we get this seat upholstered, but reupholstered. But I think that's a perfect spot. And this also tilt column, so eventually I'll be able to tilt. And if I need to put it up, whether it's getting in or getting out. But that's not bad. It's perfect. I think that's good right there. Ready to rock and roll. Got the, like I said, the shifter here and the brake and the gas. He still got to install. That's why it's sitting up so high. But we got the key to get the ignition here and get it started. It'll have all the turn signal and all that stuff in here. It's that I did it column, so pretty excited. Definitely gotta clean this thing up when the time comes, but coming along, getting closer. All right, y'all. All right, guys, today we're gonna do a little install on the shifter. This is the little cable that goes in it right here. That, I'm gonna put it on this for the little shifter on the transmission. So, got the little parts that go to it. This is the little transmission shifter part, and this is the little bracket that you put on so the cable can go through. So let's check it out. So first things first, let's make sure it's in park all the way back, and then we'll take off this nut here and get this going. Oh, guess we have to, in order to take it off, we'll have to keep it back. I can always move it into park after we put this new bracket or this new shifter linkage on here. All right, so we got the old one off and got the new one on there. So just replace the nut. Come on. There. Again, we'll be able to tighten it, get back to park. All right, now we'll have to take out these bolts here. Let's put in that other bracket so that this cable line right here for the shifter will go in, and that little piece will go into the shifter linkage. All right, so just taking off these back bolts here for this bracket. It says this is a 4L80E to use this front hole right here and that one, and this other one that my fingers are on for that one right there. And then we should have the right setup for the linkage. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so I was actually wrong because it wouldn't fit. It's not this back one here, like these ones that come around the corner. It's these two. So from the end, if you don't count that corner one, it's not 1 but 2 and 3. So you can hook up this linkage, because I was looking at it too, and it looks like if we connect about here, it looks like it's gonna be about the right spacing. So all right, let's get it connected. All right, so we finished it up. Basically just had to wrap this part from up through the cabin hole up there, wrap it around that side and come through here. Then we put on these bolts to lock it in place here, and then this little piece goes in and out, and the little clip to hold it in place. We just checked it, it's all moving good. Got installed in a transmission, 4L80E, and we're getting closer, Hey Marcos, cercano, muy paso por paso, ¿no? Getting closer.
En realidad, más tengo esa y esta blanco ahorita comprometo, pero tengo que sacarlo.
Okay. All right, guys, just finished up getting all that stuff connected for the B&M mega shifter, and that thing's gonna be fun, man. It's what they used to call back in the day for the hot rods and dragsters, where they call it slapstick, where you can just punch it up through the gears. So as you saw, got it all connected, and what you didn't see is there's a little pin in there as well to remove on the shifter side up in the cab that once you remove that, then it can be adjusted for the 4-speed. So it's a 4-speed, like I said, 4L80E transmission, and but everything's hooked up there. Then the last thing I think he has to fabricate on is the bumpers, because with that new chassis, the front and rear bumper is gonna have to be modded in to make sure it fits right. So but like I said before, I mean, it's a continuous project. I don't know if it'll ever be done, because there's always more to do. Still got to get the bench seat done on there, get a new replacing upholstery on it, and a bunch of different like odds and ends. So we'll have fun with it. Hopefully it'll be something that just grows with us and just only gets cooler in time. All right, guys, back here on the 58, getting it looked at and checked out where it's at, and doing some work on it here at Marco's house. You know where we at. Got it back up on the lift. We did a bunch of moving earlier. The truck was down that hill a little ways because he needed the lift over here, so I had to move it up and move it over. Got the new brake master cylinder, just making sure it's the right size here. There we go. Should be good. Coming along. Hopefully it runs well. We'll test the lines here a little bit. Perfect.
Videito Di, aquí están los frenos. Ya está Marco terminando los frenos. Está haciendo el ajuste para que lo chequee que todo esté bien. Ok, Di, ahí te dejo, te lo mando ahorita esto. Bye.
Alright, we got it pretty much set where we think it looks good. Looks as even as it's gonna look. And with some space between, we put that little, to make sure that it's staying cleared. So we're just gonna have to put some brackets in here. Va a poner algunas marcas, algo así. Marcos va a explicar lo que tenemos que hacer.
Aquí entonces, aquí como pienso yo, es de hacer una flat de como de 1/4 inch para acá, mira, o que sea cheno, no, engo para acá, mira, que engo en esta forma, así, para que atornille aquí, y hacerlo. Aquí lo puede hacer soldado uno de este lado, pero aquí tienen que decir volteos.
Okay.
Aquí tenemos que atornillarlo para que el bumper, y aquí hay que hacerle un agujero que atraviese de lado a lado, sí, para que el bumper sea quitable.
Okay.
Y ahí ya cubrirle para medio pintarle. ¿Cómo se llama?
Yeah, so we still got to get this sway bar piece here. It's connected with the bracket. That's what he's talking about. Then we'll get this all set up. We got the brake lines in. Check them out. Got it all connected up. Running here. All the way back. We got the master cylinder, new master cylinder coming in this week, so that we can make sure that it's all, the lines are all good, no leaks. And then once we can do that, then we'll put the gas tank in up here in this section, and we should be ready to rock and roll. Just little things here and there. Once we got that, now of course we have the back bumper to put on, but little fabrication stuff like that. But look at that.
Está muy alta y la máquina no la tengo que estar. Bueno, ya no arranca. Ya arranca.
¿Está bien?
Ya no arranca.
Okay.
Más velocidad. Más velocidad la máquina. Ahí está todo bien. Ahí no se despeja. Ahí está bien. Ahí está bien.
Okay.
Está más velocidad.
Just tacking it in. Getting that bumper right in place. We put on this strap here just to crank it up. Make sure it's good. Not bad. Alright. So we got it tacked in right here for the bumper to the frame. But we see this hole here, we'll put, Marcos will drill a hole in there. We'll put something to bolt it on there. Those are just tacks to hold it in place. Same as the other side over here. Just a tack in place right here to hold it, and then drill a hole, put a bolt in.
The next day.
Aquí, porque tengo que hacer el agujero pasado para allá.
Oh.
¿Entiendes? Y después
Sí.
estorbar, y ahí después lo ponemos. Hay que cortarlo.
Put in this new bracket here, bolt in the bumper.
Ando haciendo el otro pedazo del otro lado. Pero,
Just getting this all set up to get something here for these.
ya me fui al hospital el otro día por el ojo. Aquí va a necesitar spacer más grueso. Aquí va a necesitar spacer más grueso. Va a necesitar como, creo que va a necesitar como,
Sí.
como 3/4 1 inch ahí de spacer. Y eso no voy a tener que hacer porque flashing atrás, que quede flashing aquí, que quede flashing aquí y aquel lado no importa. Sé que lo que quieren que quede flashing aquí, aquí.
So here's what we got mocked up. Run this channel extension here. Got a little spacer here to add to this bumper piece, just like the other side. So we have a piece big enough, so let's just tack it in this, well, this top piece in there.
The next day.
You can your bumper's done, and right here the direction for your direction is already done. It looks so nice. You see the direction, all that.